In this video, I will demonstrate how to adjust your Primatech 250 and 550 nailers. The steps are the same for both models. It is very important to properly adjust the nailer before any install to make sure that the flooring cleat is going into the proper spot as shown here. If it is too far up, it will cause dimpling, as you can see here in the picture. And if the flooring cleat is too far forward, you run the risk of cracking and damaging the tongue. This will also pull the board down and will lift the opposite end, causing squeaks in the future. The Primatech nailers come with its own 3/16 Allen key, which is used on all screws for the gun. To start, we need to loosen the screws that are holding the shoe, as identified here. Of course, there's one on the other side. Once this is done, I find it easier to flip the whole gun upside down, as you can get a better line of sight for proper adjustments. By using the Allen key, you're able to slip it into the adjustment knob and use it as a lever. As you can see, if you move it back and forth, the shoe will move up and down. Now place a small piece on top and look down the side to get a proper height and distance between the tongue and the nail ejecting area. Should be approximately 1/16 of an inch. Basically, you want to be able to see a little bit of light coming through. Once you find the right spot, tighten up the Allen keys on both sides and lock it into place. The other adjustment you need to do is these two screws on the top. They will control the placement of where the cleats sit from the front to the back on the tongue. You can see the movement once you back off the screws and move it with your fingers. Put a flooring piece back on top again and look down the side. You're looking for that 1/16 gap. Once you find the right spot, tighten up the two screws and lock it back into place. Now that that's done, hook up the air line and fire a couple of nails into the board. Have a close look and make sure it is seated properly. If so, then you are good to start your installation.